So a very good evening, traders. So we are going to have a simple trade breakdown on this trade I took. Yeah. So today has been a very bearish day and it's now turning into bullish. Yeah? So let's dive into this and I show you what has transpired. So today I was able to trade gold and GU, which is the Great British Pound JPY. Yeah? So I'm going to show you what I traded and how I was able to trade. So today I had two trades. So this was the Great British Pound JPY pair. So today I was telling you that I was able to trade two times. There was a bullish trade which stopped me out, and there was a bearish trade. Yeah? So initially, so this is the gold chart. I mean the EURAH-USD, the GU, Great British Pound JPY. So this is a pair which I traded today. So initially in the morning, I traded this. I thought it was going to retrace to this zone. You see around here, because I saw that market was moving like this. Yeah. And my pattern had formed. I think it was on what, on, let me check. So I traded this. I thought we were going to buy around here, but unfortunately we were stopped out. So when I saw that there was this level here which was formed, which was on 1 hour time frame. So when I went on 1 hour, I was able to obtain, I think these are different brokers. Okay, in my broker I was able to see this trade here. Let me check for hour. It was seen best around here. Let me first check let me first use this broker and I see. Okay, they're all the same, but I was able to obtain a sell trade around here. You see there was this squash model which had formed here. You see this pattern here. When you see this pattern here, so I got this pattern here, but on the broker I used to execute, that was Xness, it was clear. Yeah, but here in this trading view it's not clear. You see this level here. I saw this level here, but on the other one I used on Xness, it was clear. It gave me a zero drawdown entry, yeah, around there. So I observed this squash model here. You can see after seeing this on 1 hour, after being stopped out on 30 minutes, because the other trade I took, it was on 30 minutes, you can see that market was moving majestically. You can see how it was moving. It was moving into our direction. Yeah, it was signifying a buy around here. You can see that. We can see that the pattern was like this. Market moves like this. Then it had left this low. We thought that market would tap into it to continue further up, but unfortunately we stopped out. So when we saw that, I saw that earlier on, and I just said we are going into a sell. So I had to see a level which was left behind. You can see that on 30 minutes. So this was 1 hour. This was, you can see this. Let me change it to black. This black candle, the black line, it was on 1 hour, but on 30 minutes it was this candle here. It was this level here. So I had to just use that as my entry. I put two limits. I had one here and around here. So this one, because we're stopped out around here because I had to initially I had a buy trade, but when I saw this signified that there was change in market momentum from bearish to bullish. Yeah, I mean from bullish to bearish. Yeah? So that's what I did, and I had to get this sell trade around here, and I took off, and it went to profit. So the current price action, we see that market is now bullish. Yeah? Now if we dare close, if now this is 4H, if this candle closes the way it is, I've put in some entries around here, but market may stop around here. If it's to retrace, yeah, it may end around here. So we shall be waiting for it. We have this level and this level, but this level will be highly efficient. Why? Because of this candle wick that formed in it, showing that this is a significant level, because it market respected it. This candle was respected, so this level, this resistance level, is highly efficient. It can turn into a support, yeah, to support the market further up. Also around here we could see, because to take this trade, this sell, this buy, because initially it was a buy, but when you could see the price action which was prior, we could see that market was rejecting, yeah, market rejected this level. We're rejecting, you can see that this H4, we rejected here, rejected here, these candles were all rejecting, yeah, we're rejecting around here. And so market was being pulled. So here this is what I'm expecting that market will come back here, and if it comes back there, we are going to fly up to, yeah, so we are going to fly around here, and we are targeting some highs. Either we target these highs, this liquidity around above here, yeah, this high, this car high. So this is what I have. We may fly from here or here. Now these two zones, because this is euro, this is Great British Pound USD, so you can just put two entries, yeah. The problem will come with stop loss, yeah. Stop loss has to be huge to cater for the retracement. But what I've observed with Great British Pound USD, it has few rejections on when it comes to a critical zone, yeah. If that zone is really critical, it will not give a lot of rejections. But what you see here, around here, before, you can see these zones here, I'm talking about this zone, you could see that it wasn't giving a good price action. Now here we can't enter the market around here, because we are not rejecting any good zone. But once we rejected this zone here, market had to push further and to give a clear market direction. This zone here, once we rejected it, it had to give a clear market direction, yeah. So this is how Great British Pound is behaving. It can be choppy, but once we reject a crucial zone, have to be cautious. You can see around here, when we rejected this zone, because here we're rejecting coming to this zone here. So when we rejected this open and closed gap around here, we had to just wait for, so here first of all we had to reject this open and close gap here. So after us rejecting this open and close gap, market formed a resistance zone here, which is here. So we just had to put our entry here. Once market formed a resistance zone, and we could see that there was a you can see that market broke structure around here. So our entry would have been just wait, because market in this candle here, market broke structure, yeah. You could see in the line chart here, it broke structure. So there was a breakout. You had to just put, the only entry level was this. Either could put your entry around here or here, and just wait for the market to fly, yeah. So just have to be patient and see, wait, observe, and see what the market does, yeah. So that's the current price action. So if market does the same thing around here, so we have two zones, we have that zone and this zone, we are going to continue buying, because the price action is saying buy, yeah, if we dare close above that. And that's what I'm predicting, yeah. So that's what my strategy is saying, and I'm having an entry there. I'm projecting these highs. So you can see that this level, and this level, they are all crucial levels. On this is a level, this level is on 4 hour and on 1 hour. And this one is a resistance zone. You can see that it was crucial. Also, this one is it's a support broken. It was broken here, so it acted as a resistance zone. And yeah, this level, we shall put our stop loss around here, and we target these highs just here. So that's it. We are targeting only 30 pips. Yeah, so this market showed me a lot here. Not over X. If the level refuses and it's failed, because the good thing with this strategy is that if the level fails, has to be respected in another sense, yeah. So let's just follow, like, and share as we make another video. I'm going to be doing gold. Yeah, so thank you.